I'd like to think that I am, but really when it gets down to it, I just, I love what I do, and I think
you were born to do this?
I think that there are definitely people that you either have an eye for it or don't, and I like to think that I do.
Do you see, and I look at that photo right there.
Yeah.
And by the way, for the sake of time, we got to move on.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Do you see extreme makeovers like this all the time? Where people completely change their look, like this one right here.
Well, now, Randy, I mean, look at this right here. I mean, and you tell me, you take a person like this that has basically. I mean, how does that affect somebody's life and everything else?
Is that common?
It's actually more common than you think, and the reason that you probably wouldn't see this as much, because you know what, people like this don't smile, Randy. The picture that I'm showing you here, I mean, there's no way that Lorraine runs around looking like that. Okay, she's hides her teeth. We made her do that for that picture, and I think it took me 20 pictures to finally get to where I could see the teeth. And honestly, why did I need the picture? Because I knew that this case was going to be awesome.
When they're in front of you,
have a great picture.
When you're in front of them, you see them and say, "This is going to be great."
Oh man, Randy, when I meet people out, I would do this stuff for free. I get so excited. Randy, you take this person right here, and if I could turn around and take this, and then in a matter of weeks, maybe just 2, maybe 3 visits, and all of a sudden she turns around and she looks like that. I mean,
now that's huge.
Are you changing somebody's life or not?
Doesn't look like the same person.
And honestly, she's not the same person anymore.
Does it hurt, by the way?
Something like that?
Do they say, it's a very painful procedure?
Oh, no, absolutely not. It's amazing because the neat thing with that, Randy, is, in all honesty, because we're not the dentists that dabble in this stuff. We saw her, for the most part, most of her work was done in 2 visits of about 3 hours apiece, if you can believe that or not.
You don't dabble?
We don't dabble, man.
Cosmetic dentistry is not a recognized specialty yet. But you're by far focused on this. I mean, this is your specialty.
Well, the neat thing with any type of, healthcare, you get to go and kind of pick where you want to go. And that I think a lot of patients don't realize that. They think that we all have similar or same training, and far from it. There are certain people that, that really like to focus on certain things. And for me, initially, it was the cosmetic aspect of it because of being a patient myself. So I knew what it meant to me, and I wanted to be able to bring that back to North Florida.
What about men? More and more men? Is this more women than men?
Yeah, absolutely. Everybody thinks that when as far as just looking good, it's all about, it's a vanity thing. Or it's not at all. It's about confidence. Let me show you. If you look at Ben, now the cool thing with Ben was, Ben had a lot of stuff. It was things with his bite, with some old dentistry, and again, the bite usually is very much a part of the smile. So you have to have everything so that it lasts a long time.
Okay.
And the neat thing with Ben is Ben's in sales. And so he knew it was kind of affecting his sales. He'd gone to actually a couple other states and seen some other people, and I was very honored that they even sent him back to see us, which was pretty cool. So we get in and see him, and Ben now tells me, I mean, you look at this guy.
So what did you do for him, by the way?
Well, look at this. We went up, look at that. We did his upper veneers, and we turn around and we take this worn smile and we make him just look like $1 million. Now, not only that, but I mean, you can see in his face, he looks more confident.
He looks more successful.
He is a more successful person. Because, let's this way, to the extreme, Randy. If I go and let's take your front tooth out. Okay. Yeah. Now it says something about your education level. Okay.
Interesting.
It says something about maybe where you grew up and just from a status. So if we can turn around and all of a sudden now take it to the other side and give somebody just a really hot smile, you instantly associate them with success
and credibility.
And look, don't we all want to be around people who wants to be around somebody that's just not happy? If somebody's smiling all the time, it makes us feel good, and that's what I love. Do
they tell you that? I mean, they get their teeth done, and they're more outgoing.
Oh, absolutely.
Do they feel like they're more successful?
Well, the thing is, I mean, Ben told me right away. He goes, "This is like the best thing I've ever done for myself." He said, "I've seen my sales go up, my relationship, stuff like that has kind of changed a little bit."
You think his sales are going up because of his teeth?
No, it's absolutely 100%. I mean, let's put it this way, Randy, people like, people that just put off a good energy, and those are the people
that smile more.
For him like that he's going to buy, that people buy from. So this was not only that. I mean, the return on his investment isn't just for his own personal. Man, I look great, and I'm healthier like that. I mean, from just a business, from a sales standpoint, I mean, he's now got this awesome smile that he now gets to reap the rewards for.
And when they see
how long?
They look in the mirror and they see it for the first time. You ever see tears?
Oh, yeah, like crazy kind of thing. And I'll be honest with you, I mean, I have to usually, I know that it's coming, you know, and
is that right?
Oh yeah, so and I'll tell you, man, I ball with them. So and depending on what I have to do right then, because sometimes, you know, we get so caught up in it, and we think about, you know, what we're doing. They're going to have these teeth and what we just did for the rest of their life. And that's just such a cool thing. So we sit there, I mean, and honestly, I have to sometimes choose my times when I'm going to, because I mean, it sounds like I know it's coming, and I'll almost sometimes run out of the room and I'll send one of my team in, because I'm just like, oh man. I had a lady one time that started hugging, and she wouldn't let go of me for about 10 minutes, about choked me, you know. It's just like that. So it makes it kind of fun, and we sit there and we cry with them, you know, and we appreciate their confidence and, you know, in seeing us. It's awesome.
All right, we're going to take a quick break. We're going to meet your wife after this.
Great.
And bring her on the show. You've been watching The Wellness Hour, the leader in medical news and information. I'm Randy Alvarez. Up next, more photos and more about what you can do for your smile. We'll be right back. You're watching The Wellness Hour, the leader in medical news and information. I'm Randy Alvarez. Today's topic, what's new in cosmetic dentistry? With us, we have Dr. Mowry of Exceptional Dentistry. Okay, now we've looked a lot of before and after photos.
Yep.
We have your partner here that's a dentist, also your wife. Tell us about... and what do they call her in the practice? Dr. Kim? Or?
That's Dr. Kim, because yeah, it can definitely get a little confusing when you have two Dr. Mowrys running around there. So yeah, either Art Kim or Dr. Like I said, we keep it pretty casual.
Okay, we have her in studio. Dr. Kim Mowry, welcome to the program.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
By the way, your husband here says that you have an awesome smile. Let's take a look at that smile.
Now, see, told you.
I'd have to agree with them.
Okay, good. Two humble people on this on the program. It runs in the family.
No, it's not humble. It's just that, you know, this is what we do, and you know, I didn't have a great smile. Luckily, you know, I had somebody that I think I knew somebody, you know, that could actually help me with that, so that worked out pretty good.
Do you share his same passion? I mean, are you still you do cosmetic dentistry?
Absolutely.
Tell us about your role there.
Absolutely. Absolutely love doing what I do, just changing people's lives. I mean, most of our patients that come in, I mean, they're just so excited. They're very intimidated about going to see the dentist, and we make it so comfortable for them. We really treat them like their family in our practice, and we absolutely love our patients, love having them come in. It's an amazing experience for them. It's an amazing experience for us, because we really get to know our patients.
He says you fight over patients sometimes.
We do.
Because you like it so much. Like, I want that case.
There are certain cases that we want, and we know that we're going to just have a better energy with certain patients in our practice, and we probably mesh a little bit better with them, or the patient is looking for a female doctor, and some patients are looking for a male doctor.
Randy, let me show you something. You talk about, like, there's certain things that I really like to do and certain things Kim likes to do. Kim's really very talented at doing a lot of our orthodontic kind of stuff, or you know, and there's also ways with instant orthodontics.
Instant orthodontics.
Check out this right here. This is a case that she did. So if you look at a case like this, like with Kyle,
which I mean, look at Kyle. I mean, he's a great looking guy. I mean, young guy, has spaces in his teeth, and I mean, how easy is that to give him an absolutely gorgeous smile?
So what do you do for this guy?
He's hot. I mean, we gave him 6 veneers on his upper arch, and I mean, just close the spaces, and I mean, it's instant gratification for him.
So you call that instant orthodontics?
Oh, absolutely.
So you just closed. I mean, he just got all his spaces closed, white smile. It took that thing. It took like 2 visits, 2 weeks.
Yeah.
You know?
And Kim, what do they say to you when this is done?
Oh, I mean, he could not be more thrilled. I mean, he really looks like a male model now. I mean, not that he wasn't a great looking guy before, but I mean, he's got an incredible, beautiful smile, and just to give him the self-confidence, he's a young guy in the dating scene, getting ready to go to college, and I mean, he's a great looking guy.
Moving up in the dating scene as we speak. So
moving up.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when you see women on the street, Kim, and they've got great hair, nails, and anticipating this interview, I'm looking at everybody's teeth.